strange. This path doesn't exist on the map. I keep feeling like someone is watching us.
You're overthinking it. Come on, we're almost at the campsite.
So beautiful.
She's been taken.
We're going to get her back. Look, she's right there. We have to find a way to get her out. I'll start a fire on the other side, draw them all away. You go get her. Got it. When you set up the fire, I will go to grab her back.
Fire! The place is on fire! I thought I will never see you guys again.
Nobody will left here. Let's go!